So the Tamron 70-180 2.8 recently won some awards, and I'm not surprised. So a few weeks back, I had a shoot with a celebrity, and it was a commercial. They were shooting a commercial, and I was behind the scenes shooter for a brand. So I signed an NDA, so I can't really talk about specifics, but I had my two Canons with me, the 24-70 2.8 and 50mm 1.4 Sigma lenses. Digital Goja had given me a Sony A7iii with 3 different Tamron lenses to kind of test out. So I just brought that backpack with me thinking, you know, these might come in handy, and it saved my When you're on set and I had 2 cameras in my hand the whole time, so it does, you know, you just want to keep it as light as possible. And while this has a crazy nice zoom, it still doesn't, it's just so much lighter than you would expect it to be. So the autofocus on this is really quick. I didn't have any issues. I had a lot of light, so I think that helped. I think for this price point, this lens is awesome. I love the casing. The casing feels weighty and substantial without being too weighty. It's not, you know, it's a light lens for what it is. But just structurally, like, it's just really well made, and I appreciate that. Nice design. So this lens, in comparison, I've used a 70-200 Canon lens, and I've seen the 70-200 Sony, and they're huge. It's like a giant old school cell phone, you know? It's like a brick. And this one doesn't have that weight, but it still feels really great. And so for someone who's not looking to spend a ton of money and have a really great product, this thing, I kind of fell in love with it when I was shooting. The behind the scenes photos were perfect for that. And that was a professional shoot, and I used it. So when you're shooting behind the scenes and they're rolling audio, you know, usually it works different ways, depends on the set, but they had told me, you know, we'll break and you can go in and shoot some stills after the director's done with her set. In this particular situation, I wasn't gonna get what she was getting when they were shooting, or have that person kind of recreate the situation. It just wouldn't have happened. So the amazing thing with the Sony is it's silent. I mean, I was shooting the whole time. And with this lens, the 70-180, I was able to sit right behind the director and zoom in and get some lovely portraits of the subject without the sound guys in the background and the lighting people on the side. And, you know, those images are beautiful enough to use for a magazine ad, or it just really worked well, and I don't know what I would have done without it. So to find out more about my work, my Instagram handle is mbkoeth, Koeth.